Hundreds of people gathered in Times Square tonight to mark the beginning of Ramadan. The event's organizers tell CBS 2's Leah Mishkin why they wanted to break the first day of fasting in that iconic location.
The fast goes from sunrise to sunset each day during Ramadan. 1,500 meals were passed around on 44th and Broadway Saturday night to mark the end of the first day.
For Muslims, it's not just about fasting so that we understand how those who are food insecure feel. We actually are doing this so that we can become closer and more conscious of our Creator, our Lord, Allah.
One of the organizers of this Times Square gathering is SQ.
Muslims of New York City, make some noise!
He explains parts of the Quran are recited each day during Ramadan until its completion. SQ says he wanted this special prayer recited in the heart of the city for a reason.
We're here to explain our religion to all those who don't know what Islam is all about. Islam